One moment everything is calm, the next the earth begins to move, and the ocean turns into a monster. What causes earthquakes? Earthquakes happen when huge pieces of the Earth's crust, called tectonic plates, suddenly shift. These plates are always moving, but when pressure builds up along a fault line, it eventually snaps, releasing massive energy. That energy travels as seismic waves, shaking everything in its path. What about tsunamis? Not all earthquakes cause tsunamis, but the ones that do are usually underwater. When the seafloor shifts suddenly, it displaces water above it, creating a series of massive waves. These waves can travel at over 800 km per hour, 500 miles per hour across oceans. Tsunami. Fact: in deep water, tsunami waves are barely noticeable. But as they approach land, the shallow water causes them to grow into giant, crashing walls. Famous disasters. Japan 2011, a 9.0 magnitude quake triggered a 40-meter high tsunami, killing over 18,000 and causing a nuclear meltdown. Indonesia 2004, the deadliest tsunami ever, over 230,000 people died across 14 countries. Turkey 2023, a devastating quake flattened entire cities, showing the danger of poor infrastructure. Can we predict them? Sadly, we can't predict earthquakes yet, but we can prepare. Countries like Japan use seismic building codes, early warning apps, automatic train stops. How to stay safe during an earthquake: drop, cover, and hold on stay away from windows and heavy objects. If outdoors, move to an open space. If a tsunami warning sounds, head inland and to higher ground. Do not wait to see the wave. By then, it's too late. Know your region's evacuation routes. Bonus tip: after strong coastal earthquakes, if the ocean suddenly pulls back, it's a sign a tsunami is coming. Earthquakes and tsunamis can strike without warning, but knowing the science and how to respond can save your life. Thanks for watching and subscribing to help our channel grow. Also, check the link in the information section to get your disaster kit in case you are ever caught in a natural disaster.